Okay, we're now going to look how we can create a simple feedback form using a web service called Feedback. If I just minimise Dreamweaver, we're going to go to Feedback. This is a good site because it's an online service where you can, for free, create the code that you need to create a working form, an online form that people can complete. You can see you can sign up there and you can log in if you've already created an account. If you do create an account, what will happen is you'll need to supply an email address and then log on to that email account, because they'll send you an email to validate to start the account for you. I've already created one. I'm going to log in. Whilst it's logging in, I'm going to just pause the thing because it takes a little bit of time to log in for you. Okay, so I'm logged in now, and what you'll see here is, I've got a form already. If I need to delete it, I'm just going to delete this form to start off with. When you first log in, you should see this screen here allowing you to create a form. Doesn't matter what it's called. I'm going to call it example, create the form, and it then comes up with the next web page that shows you how to create all the elements that you need for a form. You'll notice it's 3 simple steps: edit it, get the form, change some form options, and get the code that you need for your web pages. Form builder's dead easy. First thing, what I would recommend you to do, because these are quite confusing, because it looks like you actually need to type stuff in. Well, no, just delete them. These are just example ones. You'll notice that you've got a link there to add a question. Scroll down a little bit for you. You'll then see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options where we can create form elements. And notice as you hover over them, it gives you a preview what it will be and an example question. And you've also got this last one, which is a text block. I wouldn't recommend using a text block in this instance. So let's just go first of all for maybe a radio buttons one, which was your favourite page. Then you just give the options. We've only got 2 in our Highland site, so I'm going to just type in 2 there. The required was if you need the user to actually type it in, then click save. That saves that one question, ready for you to create the next one. Add a question. It could be a simple short answer one, like what is your age? And if you don't like it where it is, you can move it up. So it's just a very simple case of clicking add a question, selecting what type, and I would suggest for a form of this nature that you'll need to have one of each of these in an appropriate use of these buttons for your work. If you need to delete it, you can click on this one, and if you need to edit it, you can jump back into it, make your changes, then click the save again. So that's the form builder. Click on save and continue to step 2. Just pause it while it's doing that. Okay, so on step 2, which is changing some of the options, I would just select the show them a thank you for your submission page. Leave all the others blank. These oh wait, that's actually, I'll probably also do that one as well. Wish I hadn't done that one now. That was a quick click there. So keep on that one, and then save and continue to step 3. Right, now I've got my code. I'll select it all. What I did there was to do Control and A to select it all. You can also, I believe, yeah, you can right click, select it all that way. I'll copy it, and I'll then go back to Dreamweaver, pretty much like we did before with YouTube. So I'll click there, form, select it, go to code, paste, go back to design view, and there you can see the form in place. We'll save it, and it's then ready to preview in Internet Explorer and check that it works.